And now that I did all the hard part of stuffing it back in there, which I'll show in another video sometime, I have my Lucioli valve stem, rim lock, and rim lock in. I just put the valve core back in, so I'm going to fill it up. I usually fill the Lucioli up to about 30 psi to seat the bead inside the Plews tire. This is the Tough One Extreme Gummy Spec B with 15mm knobs in a 140/80/18 70mm Extreme Plews tires. A lot of people say, Travis, you're not running Plews with a Lucioli with 0 psi. Let me tell you, yes I am. There's no air coming out, no air registering. This is a Lucioli setup with a Plews, the Tough One tire. And I am running absolutely 0 psi in all my hard enduro races.